All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be making a event cover or event door. So let's go ahead and just create this. We'll do this in this white space here. We're going to start by making our through hole, which is 0.27. I'm going to create another hole that's concentric. That's going to be zero point 0.6. I shouldn't say hole, circle. We're going to create another circle that is 2.6. We're going to create our line. Now, this is the third time doing it, so this line, you guys should start to be getting pretty good at this. Okay, and we want this to be at 135. Okay, 135 degrees or 45 degrees. We're going to come in here and we're going to trim out what we don't need. It looks like that line got deleted some way. Let's just redraw that line. Okay, so we're going to come in, copy this, or select it, go to rectangular circular pattern, select center point, and we want 4 of them. Okay, so now we need to create a circle that goes around this. Okay, we want this to be, we're going to say 3 point, we'll do 4. To a 3.3, 3.3. Okay, then we're going to take our circle tool, and we want to, actually, let's take our line tool. We're going to make this, we want it to be 1.6 long, and then 22.5 angle. We don't want 1.6, so let's just do 2. Okay, and then just take your trim tool and trim that. Sorry, I feel like doing the math. So what we want to do is we want to find the center of this space here, so we have a lot of material to put our tab in. So we're going to make this 0.7. Okay, then we're going to trim this out. So that tab will be bent up. Okay, so let me finish our sketch here. So there we have our cover that's going to go over it, and our tab is in a nice spot to bend up, so we're not going to burn ourselves. Okay, go ahead and create that. We will need one of them, two of them. We will need 2 of them. So we'll just have to copy and paste that when we get into Corel.